Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. Johnny Mac here, the gravy guy. It's Saturday, so I'm going to walk you through how to make another delicious homemade sauce. A spicy roasted garlic and ginger sauce. It's a perfect sauce for basting, glazing, and dipping. So let me show you how to make it. The first step of the process is to roast the garlic. It's not too difficult. Round up the garlic bulb and chop off the top. You can save the little pieces that you chopped off the top for another dish. After a quick chop, this is what you should have. Snag a large piece of foil. Put the garlic bulb cut side facing up in the center of the foil. Drizzle roughly a tablespoon or 15 milliliters of a neutral oil of your choice over the top of the garlic. Spank on some freshly cracked black pepper and add a touch of salt. Wrap the foil around the garlic bulb, making a small pouch. Place it in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Then take it out of the oven, carefully open the foil to expose the garlic, then place it back into the oven, broil for 1 to 5 minutes or until the garlic is lightly brown. So check it out, this is what the garlic should look like after it's been roasted. That takes care of the prep work. Now it's time to make the easy homemade sauce. Round up a sauce pot and drop in 1/4 cup or 63 milliliters of rice vinegar. To that, you'll add 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters of soy sauce. I like to use low sodium soy, however, regular soy will work just fine. Next, you'll add 3 tablespoons or 45 grams of honey. Snag the roasted garlic and remove 4 of the cloves. A small spoon works really well, or you can just take the garlic clove and squeeze it out with your hands. The Sauce and Gravy channel's second cookbook, Comfort Foods Made Simply, is now available. Each hearty home-style written recipe comes with a free video tutorial to help you easily make delicious comfort foods at home. See the video's comment and description section for links to the book. Get your copy today to make tasty home-style recipes with homemade sauces. Next up to bat for this sauce, ginger 2 tablespoons or 30 grams, freshly grated. Moving right along, hit that spice rack and drop in 1/4 teaspoon of herb de Provence, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and another 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. If you don't like it that hot, add less. If you like it hotter, add more. Pour in 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Grab 1/2 cup of water or 125 milliliters. Round up 1½ tablespoons or 11½ grams of cornstarch. Add a good amount of the water to the cornstarch and give it a mix. Once well mixed, put it to the side. We'll be adding it to the sauce a little later. Take the remaining portion of the water and drop it into the pot with the sauce. Turn your burner on to medium to high heat. Give the sauce a good whisk and bring it to a light simmer. You may even want to use a spoon or spatula to kind of break up that roasted garlic, dispersing it well throughout the sauce. Whenever the sauce starts to come to a gentle boil, let it simmer for roughly 2 to 3 minutes. Then you can round up that cornstarch slurry, give it a quick mix to make sure that it's well combined. While the sauce simmers, whisk and pour about 1/2 of the cornstarch in. Bring it back to a simmer, check the consistency. If it's not that thick, then you can always add more cornstarch and repeat the process. If you use roughly 1/2 of the cornstarch, it will be very thick, perfect for glazing and dipping. If you wanted it to be a little bit thinner, I would add less of the cornstarch slurry. When the sauce is as thick as you like, remove it from heat, give it a quick taste, see if you need to adjust the seasoning. Oh, yeah. And that's all there is to it. That's how you make a spicy roasted garlic and ginger sauce. It's a great sauce for basting, dipping, or glazing. Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button. Hey, and you know what? If you found it helpful, share it with your friends. They might find it useful too. Thanks again for watching, and remember, until next Saturday, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Keep whisking, y'all.